Hey guys, I made a previous video about installing a push start on this thing. Well, I installed it, didn't work, so then I thought it was something else, like the EWS. I thought it was the DME, all this stuff not working. But so after looking up a couple on Bimmer forums and stuff, I found out that it was a fuse. So this is a 1998 BMW M3. It's the E36 model with the EWS2. But anyway, let me show you where the fuses are. It's right in the engine here. So I pop this thing off, and so then you can see the fuse diagram. And I had fuse number 31 blown, which controls the EWS and also the center console lights. I'll show you guys that. And then also I got the push start working on it. So it's a complete mess because I was just cramming around looking for what it could have possibly been. And it was a fuse. It was a fuse. I'm happy it's just a fuse, but damn. It's like you're looking, like say you got a headache or something, and then you go to WebMD, and after reading everything you think you have cancer. It's like one of those things. But anyway, I got it installed. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I kind of don't like this little fishy thing, so I was gonna just take everything off and put it in this thing, like put it in there, possibly. But I don't know yet. I'm just super pumped that I got it working. Anyway, let me start it up for you, show you what it... Anyway, so you're going to lift this up. You're going to click this. And then we got power there. And then you're going to hit this one first. And that's going to power up the lights here. It's going to power up the center lights here. So whenever the fuse was blown, none of this was working. None of this was working here. So that fuse powers everything in here and also the EWS. So then I'm going to click this one. And then we got like we're in right there. And then I'll start it. So here we go. Oh, she starts right up, boys. Right up. She don't sound too good though. Huh. That's next week's videos. Anyway, I'm just pumped that we got it started. All this damn wiring. So I'll probably put it like right there. Anyway, just to shut it off, press it down. It's off. And then I'll just click these off too. But if you guys anybody needs help installing this thing, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Because it was, I mean, if you don't know much about like wiring and stuff, it was a pain in the ass, but I mean, it's easy for some, not so easy for others. So anyway, I'm gonna start putting this back together then. She don't look too good. Yeah, it's not too bad. A couple dents here and there, but I don't know. This is the BMW M3 36 model. Like I said, if you guys need help installing one, let me know. I'll help you out. Alright, check you later.